Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel where we make your shopping experience smarter and easier. Today, we're diving into how to find unique gifts on Temu. Whether you're shopping for birthdays, holidays, or just because, you will leave with something special and unforgettable. Let's jump right in. First step is simple. Just go ahead to your Temu app, right? And type in keywords like unique gifts, right? Or personalized or novelty items. Temu's algorithm is great at showing you exactly what you're looking for, right? Next, Temu has dedicated section for gift ideas. It's often featured on the home page, right? Or you can just find it on the search results. You can go back right here and see the deals or the 5 star, and from there you're gonna be able to look it up and find the best gift possible. Next, filter for personalization. When you search for something like unique gifts, right? You can filter right here. You're gonna see the filters for phone model, category, sort by, top sales, or most recent. Or if you're if you have a small budget, you can just select from low to high in the categories, color, material, features, pattern, and operation instruction, occasion, waving method, power supply, and much more. So you can filter out your search to point out what do you want exactly, right? Next, check trending and seasonal items. Do not skip the trending or seasonal section. Again, you can find it right here, right, in the deals, or you can find it in the Temu Fest, right, because it's holiday season. These often feature unique gifts tied to current trends or upcoming holidays, perfect for that wow factor. Next, which of course you need to read the review and look for photos if necessary. You can go ahead to the 5 star rated, for example, and find the products that has the 5 star review, and you can go ahead right here and see the item review. You can click on it and see the review for that product, right? And basically that's it. Shopping for unique gifts on Temu is super easy and fun because once you know where to look, let me know in the comments if you have a favorite gift idea or any tips for finding hidden gems. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more smart shopping tips. Until next time, happy gifting.